Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use * Quick Switch in Listary on your Windows PC. Quick Switch is one of Listary's most useful features because it lets you jump to another folder instantly while you're working in File Explorer or a file dialog. Let's get started. First, make sure Listary is installed and running on your computer. Open File Explorer * and navigate to any folder. Quick Switch works whenever you're browsing folders or using an open or save dialog in most Windows applications. To activate Quick Switch, click the folder path or use the Listary shortcut, depending on your settings. A Listary search box will appear. Now type the name of the folder you want to switch to. You don't have to type the full folder name, just a few letters are usually enough. As you type, Listary will display matching folders instantly. Use the up * and down arrow * keys to select the correct folder, then press * enter *. File Explorer will immediately jump to that location without requiring you to browse through multiple folders manually. This feature is especially helpful if you frequently work with files stored in different locations. Instead of opening several folders one by one, Quick Switch lets you move between them in just a few seconds, making your workflow much faster. If Quick Switch doesn't appear, open the Listary * options * menu and make sure the feature is enabled. You can also customize its behavior and shortcuts to match the way you work. That's all for this tutorial. You now know how to use Quick Switch in Listary to navigate folders more efficiently on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.